Karibu tena kwenye darasa letu la fizikia. Utana nami Mama Physics. Utanipata kwenye YouTube channel yangu kwa jina la Mwashamba Magulumali, ama kwenye WhatsApp namba 0712579612. Wale wa nje ya nchi mtaanza na +255. Okay. Kwa kwenye experiment number 1, it is a simple pendulum. Tulijifunza jinsi ya kuchora grafu nzuri iweje, lakini scale utaitafutaje. Pia tukaja kuchora grafu yetu ambayo kama inavyoonekana hapa. Grafu inaonekana vizuri kabisa. Sasa tunakwenda kwenye data analysis. Data analysis tulisema kwamba ina involve graph. Data analysis tulisema kwamba ina involve graph, lakini pia ina involve calculations. Kwa hiyo calculations from the graph. Let me see. Okay. So from the graph, the slope can be determined by taking the change in t squared dividing by change in L. Change in t squared by change in L. So change in t squared here, the final number, highest number minus the lowest number. Highest number here I have 3.42. And the lowest number here I have 1.8. So 3.42 minus 1.8 could be the highest, could be the change in t squared. And also the change in L, the highest value could be in this way, this one, and the lowest value could be at this point. So here I have 85 centimeter, and here I have 45 centimeter. So 3.42 minus 1.8, here it gives, here it gives 3.42 minus 1.8. Here it is 1.62 dividing 85 minus 45, this is 40. So the value you have 1.62 divided by 40, this could be 0. A slope could be equal to 0.0405. This is second squared per centimeter. A second squared per centimeter. Okay. From the equation above, we have given the equation of t squared is equal to 4 pi squared L over G. This is the equation which have been given. After having this one, compare the slope from the graph and the slope from the equation. So here we have a slope could be equal to, 4 pi squared over G. This is the slope from the given equation, which is equal to 0.0405. Making G a subject, we are looking for G. So here it is 4 pi squared is equal to 0.0405 times G. So G, it could be equal to 4 pi squared dividing by 0.0405, which can be equal to, so here it is pi means 3.14 squared. After having the value of pi, multiply by 4. This is 39.4384. Divide by 0.0405. Sorry, 39.4384 divide by 0.0405. This could be, it could be 973.78. Remember, this is the centimeter per second squared. Centimeter per second squared. So in terms of meter per second squared, so G meter per second squared means by multiplying by 10 power negative 2 here, it could be 9.74, sorry. 9.74, this is meter per second squared. So therefore, a value of G, according to me, it is 9.74. Utajiuliza, kwa nini umepata 9.74? Tulisema kwamba there are several errors resulting on the performing a certain such kind of experiment. Kwanza, tulisema kwamba inawezekana ikawa time reaction, a time reaction, wakati unapo start pendulum namna hii, pia wakati huo unatakiwa ustart stopwatch yako. Unapo start pendulum, then wakati huo unatakiwa start stopwatch yako. So time reaction may be the error, but also there is maybe environmental factors, maybe wind at a certain area. It can result into errors. Also the angle of displacement. The angle, this is the vertical axis, the angle made with the vertical axis, angle of displacement. You are required to displace with a small angle. So error can result in that way. But also there can be error due to measuring the length. By using a meter rule. It can result a parallax error in that way. So the value, point to note that the value of G must vary between 9.8, it is 9.8, the value of G it is 9.81, approximately 9.81, but the error it is 0.2 plus or minus. So 9.81 minus 0.2 or 9.8 plus 0.2, it could be could be the value of G. So must lie at that point between 9.6 to 10. Okay. Thank you. This was how to determine the acceleration due to gravity by using a simple pendulum. Tukutane tena kwenye kipindi kijacho ama video inayofuata kwa ajili ya practical zingine. Asante, usisahau kusubscribe ama kuweka alama ya dole gumba. Asante.